Good day, students. In Module 3, Quarter 2, we are about to prepare and present vegetable dishes. Pinakbet. We have to perform or show the following rubrics: the mise en place, safety habits, proper washing of veggies, proper peeling of cutting, and the procedure of making pinakbet. Now let's perform the mise en place in preparing pinakbet. So here are the ingredients. We have the bitter melon, the eggplant, the squash, the green bean, okra, tomato, onion, and garlic. So wag na po kayong magsahog kasi maalang kamay. So we need the 3 condiments in preparing pinakbet: the salt, the cooking oil 2 teaspoons, and pepper. So in this side are the needed tools in preparing pinakbet: the kitchen knife, paring knife, spatula, basin, chopping board, frying pan, and the plate where we will put all our ingredients after cutting. Using the paring knife, we will peel the squash. In peeling the squash, we must peel the squash thinly. So if you have the peeler, you can use the peeler. So it is make easier in peeling the squash. So as you can see, I peel the squash thinly. Using the kitchen knife, we will cut the squash. So in cutting the vegetable, it must be uniform. So we will cut the squash into 1 inch. So using your finger, you can guide the size of the squash. In cutting the bitter melon, it also must be cut thinly. 1 slices only. Okay. Okay, so let me show you how I cut my bitter melon. To cut the green bean, so this side must be removed and this side also. So in cutting the green bean, one sizes only, and I advise that you cut this into 1 inch. So at least 1 inch, 1 to 2 inch. So, as you can see, class, the green bean has one size only. Let's now cut the okra. We will remove this side. So in cutting okra, it should be like this. This can be cut into 3. So if ever this size of okra, you can cut this into 2. So it depends on the size of the okra, how big it is. So at least in one okra, it can be 2 to 3 cuts. Cutting the eggplant, let's cut this in the middle. So let's check if the eggplant is fresh and if there is no worm. So the eggplant is clean. So in cutting eggplant, at least 1/4 inch. So this is how it looks when I cut the eggplant. So we have to soak this into water because the color will become brown later on. Now we will cut the tomato. So in cutting the tomato, it must be bit sizes. So it must be like this when you cut the tomato. So in cutting the onion, it must be bit sizes also. So the onion must be cut like this, bit sizes. So let's now cut the garlic. into bit size also. So it must be like this. The garlic must be cut like this. I hope you learned, class. See you on our online class. Thank you.